I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. How do I handle an elementary kid who constantly lies and makes stuff up? Well, there's a couple things going on here. One of the scripts that I've had a lot of success with is I might say something like real or story, real or story. Because I want them to think about this. Is it real or is it a story? But then you also have to understand why some kids do it. Not every kid gets to go to Disney World. Not every kid gets to go to the Bahamas on vacation. And so when you're doing morning circle and some kiddo starts talking about their elaborate vacation, some of those kids, they can't compete and they don't know what to do. And so they'll make up stuff. So I might validate it for the moment and then pull them aside and say, hey, that story you told us about going, on that trip, real or story? And then usually they'll look at me with that kind of like, okay, if that was story, remember, you don't have to make up stories, to fit in. Because as we know, the opposite of belonging is fitting in. When kids try to fit in, they make up stuff. So make sure that they belong no matter what. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.